It's Thursday, 6th March, and the markets ended on a strong note, driven by broad-based buying. Sectorally, metal, oil and gas, and pharma stocks gained, while the realty sector lagged. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended up by 207 points at 22,544, while the Sensex closed higher by 609.86 points at 74,340. Market breadth was strong, with 2,987 stocks advancing and 1,009 declining. Sectoral indices were largely positive, led by metal, oil and gas, and pharma, which gained between 1.5% and 2.5%. Realty was the only sector to close in the red. Asian Paints, Coal India, BPCL, Hindalco Industries, and Reliance led the gains on the Nifty, contributing to the market's strong performance. On the other hand, Tech Mahindra, Trent, Bharat Electronics, Britannia, and Kotak Mahindra Bank were among the top losers, facing selling pressure despite the broader market's positive momentum. The rupee closed at 87.1150, down 0.2% as dollar demand from importers weighed on the currency. While the dollar index softened to 104.1, hovering near a 4-month low, the rupee briefly touched 86.89 before recovering. Traders anticipate further movement towards 87.50 if the dollar rebounds. Castrol India surged 11%, trading at 247 rupees and 85 paise, following reports that Saudi Aramco is considering a bid for BP's Castrol business. BP is reviewing the sale as part of its $20 billion divestment plan, driven by investor pressure to unlock value and increase share buybacks. The potential deal has sparked strong buying interest in Castrol India. Creditaxis Grameen's stock jumped 8% as strong loan portfolio growth fueled positive momentum across all regions, despite slower expansion in Karnataka. The company added over 1.5 lakh new borrowers in January and February, supporting its growth trajectory. Stabilizing asset quality further boosted investor confidence, with declining PAR accretion across most states. The broader markets showed strength, with the Nifty Midcap 100 rising 0.37% and the Small Cap 100 advancing 1.32%. This outperformance highlights renewed buying interest in mid and small cap stocks, reflecting robust market participation. Spot gold fell 0.6% to $2,900 an ounce, down nearly 1% as investors booked profits. Despite this, it remains up over 10% year-to-date after hitting a record $2,956. On 24th February, markets now await U.S. jobs data, while fresh U.S. tariffs on Mexico, Canada, and China add to uncertainty. Jio Financial rose 2.4% to 222 rupees and 35 paise, extending an 11% rebound from its 52-week low. Hopes of Nifty 50 inclusion and its 104.5 crore rupees acquisition of SBI's Jio Payments Bank stake lifted sentiment. Despite gains, the stock remains 44% below its peak. Bitcoin surged 6% to $92,168, driven by improved sentiment after the US delayed auto import tariffs. Ethereum rose 5.5% to $2,294, while the global crypto market cap climbed 5% to $3 trillion. Altcoins followed suit, with Cardano up 3.3%, Solana gaining 4.7%, Dogecoin jumping 8%, and XRP rising 3%. Hong Kong stocks jumped 3% after the US delayed auto import tariffs, boosting market sentiment. Chinese equities also gained as investors awaited a potential stimulus announcement at Beijing's National People's Congress. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.